Welcome back to another quick guide today. I'll walk you through how to write notes in iPhone. Here are the simple steps to write notes on an iPhone. First, unlock your iPhone and go to the home screen. Find and open the Notes app, yellow icon with a white top. Tap the Compose icon, square with the pencil in the bottom right corner. A new blank note will open. Tap anywhere on the screen to bring up the keyboard. Start typing your note using the on-screen keyboard. To make text bold, italic, or underlined, tap the A formatting button above the keyboard. Choose the formatting style you want, such as bold, italic, underline, title, heading, etc. Once done, tap on the empty space. To create a checklist, tap the checklist icon. To add photos, tap the clip icon. Choose the tap take photo or photo library. To insert drawings, tap the pen icon, a squiggly line to switch to drawing tools. To undo something, tap the undo arrow or shake your iPhone and confirm undo. When you're done, tap Notes in the top left corner to save and exit. Your note will automatically appear in the Notes list and be saved to iCloud if enabled. To edit the note later, just tap the note from the list and continue typing. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.